Hey guys, it's Burning Fire with another unboxing of Toxic Stinger Scorpio Beywheelz. I was thinking of doing another Beyblade unboxing, but then I saw this and I was like, might as well get it. So here it is. Sorry about the Pegasus and versus Dark Knight. That'll come out soon, I hope. And okay, let's get to this unboxing. Okay. Here's the card, the collector card. I have to get familiar with these parts. This looks extremely like the Light Launcher 2. Light Launcher 2 record. Different material though. Instructions. Okay. Here's the spirit axle. The spirit shield. Energy core. Just rubber. I don't see how in the show they have sparks or anything. And this is the attack gear. Okay, now, let's assemble this. Okay then, let's see. Okay, wait. Let me just unbox it. Or screw it, because this is hard to do with one hand. I'm pretty sure I did this wrong, because it doesn't look right. Okay, well, here's, Toxic Stinger Scorpio. Pretty cool. It kind of looks like claws. Well, it looks like claws, and then it's a stinger right here. Okay, well, here's a launcher for spinning. And here's a cord. See, you already have seen. It's different material than Tommy's. Okay, well, this was my unboxing of Toxic Stinger Scorpio. Hope you like it. I don't really like the Beywheelz concept that much. Well, I'll let you have your own opinion. Okay, we'll see you next time. This is Burning Fire, and peace out.